Welcome to One Chemistry. This is 365 chemistry series. Daily one question for you. Here P and Q compounds are given. They ask you to find the relationship between P and Q. Here P is the bicyclic decline. It is attached with ketone and methyl. Methyl and hydrogens are trans to each other. Then again the Q compound, you have methyl and hydrogen are opposite each other, but methyl is below the plane, hydrogen is above the plane. So you have to find how they differ. The answer is simple if you know simple operation C2 rotation. Actually the molecule is upside down. So what really happens, if you rotate to 180 degree, you get the Q there. So molecule is just rotated. Both are not different compound. They are same molecule. They are not stereoisomer. They are same molecule and identical. During the rotation, what really happens is above will go below, below will go above. That's why methyl and hydrogen positions are switched. Why we need this? Because during the chemical analysis, the molecule can be in any direction or any rotated version. Example, NMR spectroscopy. So the concept you have to learn here is rotated molecules are identical. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching.